Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to buy the SUBBD token in 2025. Step by step, super easy, and perfect for beginners. And as always, you'll find the link to the official presale right below in the description. SUBBD isn't just another random coin. It's a project with real utility. Behind it is an AI-powered content subscription platform already used by more than 2,000 influencers. As a holder, you'll get access to exclusive content, early access to creator tools, and exciting community perks. Many experts say SUBBD could be one of the breakout tokens of 2025, and the ongoing presale gives you the chance to get in right from the start. So let's dive straight in. Step 1. Set up your wallet. You'll need a wallet to participate. My recommendation is Best Wallet, free, secure, and available for iOS and Android. Best Wallet supports over 60 networks, including Ethereum and BNB chain, so you'll stay super flexible. Important, it's a non-custodial wallet, which means only you have full control of your coins. Step 2, fund your wallet. You can buy with Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or USDC. My tip, go with Ethereum or BNB, since you'll also need them to cover network fees. Just transfer the amount you want into your Best Wallet. Usually takes just a few minutes. Step 3, connect your wallet to the presale. Go to the official SUBBD presale site, click on Connect Wallet, and select Best Wallet. On mobile, you just confirm once. On desktop, simply scan the QR code with your wallet app, and you're connected. Step 4, buy tokens. Now comes the fun part. Choose whether you want to pay with Ethereum, BNB, USDT, or USDC. Enter the amount, and instantly you'll see how much SUBBD you'll get. Double check the details, confirm, and you're done. Bam! Your purchase is complete. Step 5, verify your purchase. The transaction is automatically recorded on the blockchain. You can track it on Ethereum or BSC Scan, or simply check your Best Wallet app under Upcoming Token. Important, you can only claim your tokens after the presale ends, expected in Quarter 3 or Quarter 4 of 2025. Step 6, claim your tokens. Once the presale is over, head back to the website, click Claim, and the smart contract will send the tokens straight to your wallet. Doesn't get easier than that. Bonus, start staking right away. SUBBD will launch a staking program right after the presale with a 20% APY. That means you can put your tokens to work immediately. Just go to the dashboard, click on Staking, choose the amount, confirm, and your rewards start rolling in. And that's the full process. Set up your wallet, fund it, join the presale, later claim, and if you want, stake right away. All doable in just a few simple steps. If you want to get in, you'll find the presale link below as always. And if this tutorial helped you out, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future guides. See you in the next video, and until then, good luck with your investments.